Hello there and welcome. I'm Ole Brøgger, and if you're new here, I really hope I'll earn you a subscription today. I moved out here in my workshop and I have actually spent all my evenings the last 2 weeks out here. It all started with this wall and now it's almost fixed. I should originally have posted my Heroes of Might and Magic 3, the board game fortress painting video today. But unfortunately, I am not done painting those because of all this. I thought this was a project that was a weekend, and now I've been spending 2 weeks on it. So let me give you a tour of what's going on, and we better get started. Right now it's freezing outside. It's -4 degrees Celsius and this wall is not tight and this window is just broken. Look, there is ice on the inside between the two pieces of glass. This is not good. And the bottom of this door is totally rotten. The wind just goes right underneath it. It's a waste of time heating up this workshop because it's +1 Celsius here on the inside. There's also a lot of moist and it's not good with all the electronics I have in here. But I need to move a lot of stuff before I can get access to this window. Well, so far the laser is out, but I will still need to move these shelves because I think this new wall will be a bit thicker. It is getting late here Sunday night and I will just start to remove these shelves and maybe I'll have time to remove all these rafters from my table. I will definitely need to build a new table. I think I will reorganize these old kitchen cabinets. They're actually from my childhood. When my parents got a new kitchen here about 15 years ago, I saved a couple of those and used them here in my workshop. Shelves are down, rafters from the table are gone. Now I will go to bed and tear down the wall tomorrow after work. I broke this wall down in heavy rain and it was very annoying doing this because putting up all this in the dark, that was a pain. I was soaked in water when I was done in the evening and now it still looks like crap. I need to fix some stuff around here and it also needs to be painted, but painting when it's 0 degrees is not a good idea, so unfortunately that will have to wait. Here we got my emergency fix. It looks like crap, but it will work until I get a new door. And now the wall is done and it has very good insulation. The door, I made an emergency fix. It was so rotten in the bottom here and yeah, I don't want to talk about it. So after I've been working on this wall and it is done, I came up with a ton of new ideas. I really need to optimize my workspace because I have a lot of crap in here. And now I have to remove all this stuff over here. I also need to improve my working table over here. The rafters I used before were a bit crappy because they had all those riffles between them and stuff were falling down. Another thing I need to fix is these electric installations. This bird nest have to go. I need to get an overview on where everything goes without getting electrocuted. I have been up here once and I installed a single wire, so I had some power for my 3D printer and all my working machines down here, but it took a very long time to figure out what was what up here, and I only have one single electric cable going here where there is an outlet for power in the house. So this is also something that I have to fix. I am also going to fix this side because everything is just built on the fly when I got stuff that I could use, and the optimization of this for storage is also kind of crappy. So I really need to fix all this and improve the setup for the 3D printer. I might as well go all in and fix my working table, improve the setup for the laser, better ventilation, and we also need better heat. We are going to look at that next weekend because I have a new solution for heating up this workshop. One of the things that annoys me the most, I can't use my 3D printer here during the winter. It's just too damn cold, and the resin, I get too many failed prints and I waste a lot of resin on that. So heat is essential to make this workshop go. And while we are looking at how I'm going to heat it, I will also give you a tour how this will turn out. I can't tell you yet because you can see where I'm at right now. So this is it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.